So we're heading to the room, and Leon has taken the lead. We don't have our luggage because there wasn't enough persons out there to take us to the room. So we're going at the elevator now to go up there, but we're on our way, guys. Like a seating area there. I still have my juice. So we're waiting on the elevator. I feel sportsy. Your press it for come down?
No.
Good day. Huh? People, have some person pass them fit and healthy. Comment down below and tell me if me look fit and healthy. Look for me. Fit. Fit and healthy. Fit. I'm always want down me thing, you know, people. But me fit, you know. Well, down my fit. Waiting on the elevator. It is now going to open. Ground floor. Get in, boo. Get in. Get in. Make take. Now we're going up. I'm smiling there.
Go.
This 501. Happy birthday. Somebody celebrating birthday at 501. Well, let us see what it be like. 509.
Yeah, youth.
So guys,
What is?
well, I'm showing in our room. I'm put on my them stuff out of my hand, so I can show in the room. I'm gonna go back from the opening. So this is our bathroom. It's a little toilet area. It's actually nice because when Leon come in for this milk later, I don't want to smell it, so it actually lock him away. I like that. This is our closet. This is stuff that would normally in here, like the robes and the slippers aren't in here, and this is so sensitive, guys. After my turn, as I shove this, the light come on. How cool is that? That's so cool. Let's see. It lock off. Look now. So come on. Don't jinx the thing. Yay! And it's on. Alright, guys. So we have our jacuzzi in the room. How cool is this shit? I like this. I like it, guys. So there. You have the bathroom section over here. You have the makeup mirror thing that I can use it. Can take off my hat now. And yes. And I have this is our shower, guys. I actually like in here. Yeah, I have the overhead shower. I have a little sitting area there where to put your towel and stuff. It's actually a really cool vibes. And I think this is your scale. Yes, we have a scale and I have blow dry there, but not going to really use that, but I'll use the scale. And I have a little clock there. This is our bed. I'm not pull it up yet. So,
Guys,
this is it.
I just want you to remember, say, yo, hard work,
I like it.
success, busy week. Aye. Nobody feel say,
So Leon there here, so
please.
I sit down, my belly outside.
Waiting and being for the release of we.
It moves with my light mirror. My light like a sitting area here, Leon can use it. But okay. Him over there so enjoy for himself. So you can screen off there, so guys, if you don't want the tub, you can close off there. So let me go out And
Key to success.
Lee,
It's a work smart.
I will pull this.
And blah blah. My thing is just even if you work
I can't pull here, so.
smart,
Babe,
my you tell us me a video.
sorry.
Otherwise,
Alright.